thought it was closing remarks. Okay, hi. Parang itong laban, ha? Hello, Pabao and Andy. You guys are friends now? I want to say thank you to everyone who has graced our event. Number one, to all the media partners of the KOL, thank you, Mike. Thank you for gracing our event. So, sabay tayo mag- Oh, here. Ito pa rin yung script. Adults Family.
Food Panda Family, simulan na natin ang pambansang salo-salo!
And post it on your social media accounts. Syempre, huwag po natin kakalimutan. Kita ang Docs at Food Panda and ang aming official event hashtag. That's hashtag ang Docs on Food Panda. Muli, ang ating official event hashtag ay hashtag ang Docs on Food Panda.